hour, 600, 1 hour. Depende sa inyo po yun, sir, kung gusto nyo. At isang brutal episode on the history.
This is the office of the CBCP, the Bishops Conference of the Philippines. So, very important decisions are made also.
Yung nagmi-meeting yung mga subismo para ibagsak si Gloria. This one, Spanish house during Spanish time.
Yeah.
All room, bed, the Spanish people inside. Lahat ng gamit nila sir, mga Espanyol. Minibili ng gobyerno. Yes, this is the oldest church in the Philippines. Wala nang regular mass. Kung gusto nyong pasukin, magbabayad kayo ng museum pero tago sa ruyo ng simbahan.